The beauty of nature, truly a gift from God, which are also fascinated by. Some of these insects, they live by eating the leaves of plants. This is a small park, which local people call as Madan Bhandari Park. Under a big tree, there is a statue of Madan Bhandari. It's very enjoyable here in summer because trees give cool shade. Bangles of high mountains. Some green fields looks very beautiful from above. Looking down, you can see many farms, which is on the side of river. This is Rawabesi Rural Municipality. There are good facilities of hospital and bank here.